Hi everyone, today we're reviewing the Ecovacs Deebot N8 with OMNIStation. This cutting-edge vacuum cleaner and mopper has been designed to make your life easier. With features like 5000 PA deep cleaning, all-new mopping system, true mapping, AI/VI 3D technology, and intuitive voice control, this product promises to change the way you clean your home. First of all, let's talk about the OMNIStation. This is a first in the industry and it's a game changer. After vacuuming, the Deebot N8 returns to the station and automatically empties the dustbin. After mopping, it automatically washes and dries the mop heads with hot air. This means you can experience a whole new level of freedom from cleaning. The 5000 PA suction power of the Deebot N8 is second to none. With this power, it can effectively pick debris from both hard floors and carpets. The all-new OZMO Turbo rotating mopping system is highly effective in removing stubborn stains and debris, leaving your floor looking clean and new. The true mapping technology is what sets this product apart from the rest. It uses a laser-based navigation system to scan your home environment and create the most efficient and fastest cleaning paths. This results in methodical coverage with fewer missed spots. So, say goodbye to pre-cleaning before using the vacuum cleaner. The AI/VI 3D technology is another fantastic feature. It automatically identifies and avoids obstacles that are over 2 inches tall with utmost accuracy and precision, even in the dark. So, you don't have to worry about pre-cleaning before starting the vacuum cleaner. The voice control system of the Deebot N8 is another highlight. With just a simple voice command, you can tell the vacuum cleaner where to clean. It's even easier than the push of a button. Finally, let's talk about the design of the Deebot N8. The product has been designed by Jacob Jensen and it's a beautiful piece of technology. The Deebot N8 looks beautiful even when it's not hard at work. So, that's it for our review of the Ecovacs Deebot N8 with OMNIStation. If you're in the market for a new vacuum cleaner and mopper, this is a product you should definitely consider. With features like 5000 PA deep cleaning, all-new mopping system, true mapping, AI/VI 3D technology, and intuitive voice control, this product promises to change the way you clean your home. And, with the purchase, you'll also get a user manual, friendly after-sales service, and a 12-month warranty. Thanks for watching.